What up, guys? It's your boy King Hill 212, and right now we're at Advanced Auto Parts. I came to get some brake fluid because I've been hearing people saying that brake fluid could restore your headlights. So I'm about to go in here and see if I could get my money's worth of brake fluid for my headlights. Oh, and for all you guys and girls that got JDM cars or any kind of cars you got, and you have quick release steering wheel, y'all got nothing on me. Quick release door handle.
You got this, the big one. This is the same. These two are the same one. Okay. I think I have another one.
Alright, so turns out I'll be getting buy one get 50% off. I guess I'll be getting this one. Synthetic brake fluid for sure. Alright, so wow. Okay. Alright, so this is the headlight. It's kind of ish. It's all foggy and it's not that good looking. This one's a little bit more clear than the other. I don't know if you could tell the difference. Yeah, my little slide. For now, hopefully, car or whatever. Brake fluid, not the one from your car because you don't want to take brake fluid out of your car. Hand towel, this is not tissue. You need a hand towel, the rough one. You need a rag, and also you're gonna need the soap and water, preferably in a spray bottle, so you could wash off your brake fluid off the light when you're done. And this is my first time doing it. These lights have not been touched. All right, guys, I got my brake fluid and my hand towel. Okay, this. Okay. All right. Tap it on the hand towel and just wipe. I don't see that much of it. Oh. Okay, so it seems like this is working. I was not expecting that. Look at this. To be honest, I was not expecting that. Look at that. This is not the same side. It's not the same side. So you look on this one, all right? See that one, and then you look on this. It might not look like a big difference. Damn. Okay. Get your soap water. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. It's the only thing I could find. Cover back up my brake fluid. I might put some of this in the car. And this. Just damp it. I don't remember how you do it. Damp it. Get all soapy. Wow. I was not expecting that. And what you want to do is just move your hand in a circular motion. It's kind of like waxing. You don't want the brake fluid to get all curled up on the headlights. And it don't matter what brake fluid you use, as long as it's brake fluid. Don't use transmission fluid, don't use the oil, don't use power steering fluid, brake fluid. Alright? Just let that dry for now. Look at the difference, man. In the meantime, well, actually, you guys saw how the lights looked before. All right. Wow. The lights actually a lot brighter. So that's a good thing. All right, in the meantime, let's do this one. Actually, I lied. Do not use soap water. I just use soap water and it completely defeats the purpose of putting the brake fluid on it, because it will just go back to the way it was because you're washing off the solution. So that's the one that has been applied with the brake fluid. And this nada. Let's start on this one and we'll tell the difference. All right, so we have same exact brake fluid and you have your paper towel. All right, paper towel, brake fluid, and what you want to do is you just damp it. Just get like a good amount of brake fluid on it, and look at that. That's what was on there. All right, this part of it is dry. All right, and I'm just gonna rub it on there. Now you can see nothing. This part has the brake fluid on it. Just gonna use this part that has the brake fluid. Look at that. Brake fluid is the way to go if you want to restore your headlights. And my headlights, I think they're plastic or black. Yeah, it sounds like it's black. Plastic, my bad. Alright guys, wow. So as you can see, that's what brake fluid do to your headlights. This one, I found out that, well, even though I got some of the corrosion off of it, most of it is on the inside, because this little piece right here, that's open up. So I'm gonna have to try and either melt the headlight to try and take off the glue that sticks it on, or just get another headlight from the junkyard. Let me put you guys back some more so you can see what's actually going on. I'm actually shocked by this. I was not expecting it. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this to anyone that would use this method, because as you can see, that's the video for today. I know it's kind of short or whatever, but that's the video. Peace.